Today let's take a look at how we can put an antifreeze without having to do all sorts of lifting and turning and maneuvering of the vehicle just in order to bleed the system. So we're going to use this apparatus right here. It's a 1.5 inch pipe. That's a clear hose just connected to the top, and it's fitting at an angle, and it comes out the bottom, and that's a 1.5 inch rubber adapter. So let's see how we would use this. So what you end up doing is attaching that 1.5 inch adapter to the pressure side of the Vanagon system, and then you fill it up and you bleed the front and bleed the necessary components, the heater, back heater if that's your game. And you can see how the hose, the clear hose, serves two purposes. You can see how high the fluid is, and that's well above the height of the radiator in the front and the bleed valve for the radiator in the front. And so now we know where my fluids are. I have a little shut off in here, which I'm going to employ right now, and we're going to just shut that off. And what do you do now? So now you know that this is all full of antifreeze, and you need to somehow take this off. So here's what we'll do. We take the original jug we were working with, and we'll set it down, and then I'll remove the clear hose and insert the end into the jug. And now I'm going to release this clamp, and I have a siphon. How much will it siphon? Well, recall that here the clear hose moved just down slightly from the end of the hose, so that all that it will now siphon back into the container. And when we're done, it all comes out. Just put it right back in. Sorry, I don't need to see my toes, do you? Right back in, and then I'm going to close this off again, lift this out, and I don't have any spillage of antifreeze. Now I can remove this clamp. It's a 5/16 or 8 mil. Remove that, and we will slide this off of there, make sure it's drained, and you can see we've got a nice height to the fluid inside there. And that's all there's to it. No more lifting the back end, lifting the front end, or forgetting which end you can lift up. This apparatus does the trick. Thank you.